Guys, today I'm going to show you another video on very basic things on Excel. I will show you all the basics about Excel. Well guys, whenever you want to open your Excel, you just click on the icon of this and then the Microsoft Excel page will open like this. So this is a Microsoft Excel page. Okay, so usually in this page you will find three worksheet, like 1, 2, 3, and then if you need new page you can just click it, so another page will be added. So how many pages you need, you can just add on that. And then in the beginning over here we have the menu bar. This is we call menu bar, where you will find home, insert, page layout, formulas, data, reviews and view. So that's the menu bar. And this one here, from here till here, this is a tools bar. So all the tools we need to work on Excel, they are all here. So usually I will go one by one all the tools, how to use them, and also I will show all the on the main menu what we have, like insert, page layout, formulas, data, reviews. I will go all of them one by one. So usually very basically, and for the very beginners, we use these tools over here, like bold, italic, underline, bordering, coloring, this kind of things. So these are all tools. So I will go one by one all of them. This is just an introduction to the Microsoft Excel. So then this one like this is called row, and this one over here like this, all of them, these called columns. Okay, so now this is row, very basic things we know. This is columns, we know. And also if you want, you can make it bigger, your column. If you want, you can make also your row bigger. Okay, and basic also, if you want, you can put borders of them. If you want to highlight them, you can highlight them. If you put all borders, you see all of them are bordered, they are more visible. Okay, so like this you have lots of things over here. Like if you want to write something over here, you can write like as a headline. If you want to make a bold it, you can bold. You need to put italic, you can put italic. You want to put underline, you can put underline. If you want to make this bigger, you can make bigger. So that's the very basic things on this Microsoft Excel. So as I said, please keep watching my videos.